Hey guys, welcome to this next episode of the For Energy channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you, it could be illegal, I don't know, I don't really care because they get it for free anyways, but I'm going to be teaching you how to swipe power out of your own house. Now this is just a prototype, but obviously it can collect energy and store in it pretty well. So it's connected to my leads, and as you can see there's no other wires here. It's just a magnet and it's on a metal bracelet. It's a steel bracelet, and it pretty much it collects. It's very badly made. It's just something I threw together that I thought of really quick. And this coil that I'm grabbing onto right here is connected to that magnet, and the wire that's wrapped around that magnet is connected to wire that is wrapped around this ring, so it oscillates inside the ring. Radiant energy is all around us, so the best way to collect it is by trapping it, right? So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to make this collector store more energy, and I'm also going to make a better prototype next. So you see 84 volts alternating current. My milliampere reader on this meter is broken. So I'm sorry I can't show you the milliamps. I can show you a quick glimpse of it. It can pull up to about 1 milliamp once towards the end of the video here. So here we go. We turn on to the volts. This is because I'm not touching it anymore. Mind you, the body is a very radiant, it's an antenna. So as soon as you touch it, this is what happens when I touch the dead center of the magnet. It raises it like that, but once I take my finger off, it does that. So this is some sort of EMF collector that I have gobbled up together somehow, and it can store the energy and output in my coils. Alright, so, and just to prove that I'm collecting energy out of the wall, yep, let me grab it. Bam, 60 hertz. Look at that. It's coming out of the wall. Now that's pretty amazing if you ask me. So if people doesn't feel like paying for the electricity, at least they can get some scrap metal and they can build a device that can invert that power back to your electric company. So that's what happens when I put it back down on the floor. It's picking up different frequencies. Odd little device. So I'm going to show you how the millivolts stack up. So obviously the more metal you have, or the bigger wound this little collector is, the more energy you can pull right out of your wall with just wireless energy being transferred. So here we go. Here's a collector. You see my voltmeter here. Now you see this iron pan? This is a iron skillet. It got rusted. It's junk. I put it right up to my wall outlet here. My wall outlet is giving off EMF. That's why electricians have to ground themselves and stuff like that, because radiant energy can electrocute you at high voltage, high amperage. So this is what happens when I stick it onto the pan. Yeah, stick it just right. Bam. And look at that. You see my leads still connected to the pan. No possible way could I be inputting an alternating current voltage from somewhere else at 60 hertz. That's impossible. So you see that it's up to 145 millivolts. I can get it better than that just by angling it, because it's a collector. If I get just right, that collector will work good for me on the millivolts too. So on the next video, I'm going to build a bigger collector. I'm going to show you guys how to do it and how to collect the energy. Alright, so that's the results right up to my leads. Now here's my little, this is just a little bolt I have wrapped with wire. There's like 3 different coils of wire. One of the coils are pinched. Here's what happens. Okay, take my hand away. Oh shoot, hang on. Put it right close to the outlet. Alright, it definitely depends on the angle. I just had this up to a little over 200 millivolts a little bit ago. Must be a little close. There we go. It raised up a bit higher. Not to where I want it. This is what happens when I put the bolt like right. I want to get that pan closer too. The closer you have it to the EMF, the more it collects. So that's what I have going there. There we go. That solved my problem. Having the iron pan closer. 200 millivolts, alternating current. Here's a quick, mind you, the amperage on this meter is a bit busted, so you're only going to see it for a split second. So about 1 milliamp alternating current as well. So yeah, this is a pretty fascinating discovery, and there is a German student over in Germany that developed a EMF collector as well that can pull in voltage and charge phones, power little motors, stuff like that. So you can take energy right off the grid and use it for yourself. I hope this video helped you guys, and just to show you, even went up a bit higher. So I hope this video helped you guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, let me know what you think, and I will be making a video showing how to make one of these little collectors next. So stay tuned. Peace out, guys.